Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable edge lighting in your Oneplus mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on wallpapers and style. Now here in wallpapers and style, scroll down and in user interface section click on edge lighting. Now here to enable edge lighting, just simply tap on a color to choose. You can use the blue edge lighting, red or yellow red edge lighting. So just simply tap on a color to choose it, and that's it. That's how you can enable edge lighting in your Oneplus mobile. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.